Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Tasha and this is my channel. I'm like rotating hands because yo, this is heavy. We're gonna do some hygiene, not hygiene. I'm so used to doing hygiene shopping that I'm telling you we're going hygiene shopping, but we're not. We're gonna do some shopping today and on a budget, of course. I have to get some cleaning products. One of the stores that I mainly go to is a store called Rexall. Cleaning products were on sale there like last week, but I noticed that they tend to have a lot of sale there regardless, like every other week or every week. So before I go, I'm actually gonna check my phone. I didn't check it yet to see if they still had sale on the cleaning products. I really hope so because I didn't get a chance to go last week. If they don't have a sale, I'll be searching to see where it does, because when I say I'm on a budget, like I really am. I'm gonna try to keep it around the 50, 60 mark area as much as I can because I'm pretty good when it comes to looking for a sale. I haven't been the richest person, but I've known how to look for a bargain and just, you know, go with the flow. I'm gonna head out to the car right now and I will see you guys soon. Okay guys, so we are here at Rexall. I feel so weird saying Rexall because I feel like a lot of you are not gonna know what Rexall is. Rexall is basically just a drugstore. So if you're from Ontario, Canada, if you're from Canada, wherever, you know, I just say Ontario, Canada, just in case somebody's not sure. It's like a Shoppers Drug Mart, but to me, it's like low-key. I've noticed that they've always had a lot of things on sale lately, so I'm gonna go here first. I'm also gonna try to get to the Dollar Tree. I did see that they had a couple things on sale, so I'm very excited about that. I know, like, I'm getting old when I'm happy about cleaning products on sale, because as you get older, it's like different things will make you excited. Like, I love going into Home Sense. That is just an event for me. Look at my hair. Like, I just gave it a trim and I did I did some leave-in conditioners and I added a pudding. This side is a little bit drier than this side, but I think it's because when I do my hair, I'm so used to scrunching it on this side that I forget this side half the time. And look, it's just not the greatest, so I gotta work on this side. I noticed that the cleaner my area is around me, the better I can function. When I have a lot of things on my plate, I notice that the more clean, the more I can stay focused. So yeah, we're gonna go here. Hopefully we get a chance to go to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, let's go inside Rexall. They got one buggy left just for me. Wow, I see 99 cents. There is so much sale going on here. We got products that are 2 for $6, some that are just $3.99 each. It all depends on what you buy, all the way down to 99 cents each, guys. So you know I'll be looking here first. We got bleach cleaner, and this is 99 cents, so you know I can't go wrong with some of this. As well as we got some Vim cream, so yeah, this 99 cents. They also got some small bottles of bleach. I mean, it's not that small, it's a good size, it being 99 cents. And then we also have some floor cleaner. So this is like for hardwood floor, and this is for a shiny clean, and it has a good fragrance to it as well. It has a polish finish. This is for eliminating odors. This is also on sale for $4.99. This is original scent. They also have it in additional scents, and this one is if you do not like fragrances at all, and they're all $4.99. So they also have the air fresheners on sale, and these are 99 cents. And these you can just leave in the room and it will just help freshen up the place and get rid of odors. They have this scent here. What scent is this? This is a more citrus orangey scent, lavender scent. Ooh, this one's in Hawaiian scent. I'll probably try this one. Okay, so we also got some dishwashing detergent. I see they have this lavender lime. So they also have Lysol sprays. I always use Lysol sprays. I usually use this all-purpose one. I noticed that this one says it's a bathroom foam cleaner. I think I'll try one of these ones. It's a multi-purpose. This one's not on sale, so We ain't looking at that one. But they also got some more bathroom cleaner here for $3.99, which we got Bounce here for $4.99. Have some Snuggle for 99 cents, which you guys, you can't even get that at the dollar store for 99 cents. Some toilet bowl cleaner, and this is 2 for $6 as well. Okay guys, so that's it for shopping here. I'm just gonna go to the checkout in Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna head over to the cleaning section. Okay, so they have some more toilet bowl cleaners here. These are the ones that you can just drop inside the toilet, and this is a pack of 2. Is this one as well? Oh, they have packs of 3 here, and this is a pack of 1. So you can either get a pack of 1, 2, or 3, guys. And look, they also have the same cleaner, the bleach cleaner that I just got at the drugstore, except this one is $1.50, guys, and I just got it for 99 cents. That's why it's always good to compare prices, because you would think, like, you know, the dollar store is cheaper, but not necessarily all the time. What I really wanted to get as well was some like baskets to organize my cleaning stuff. I have a little one like this in my bathroom already, but I think I need something bigger to go in my cupboard to fit most of my cleaning supplies. This is really good if you're walking around the house and you're cleaning. I'd probably get a couple of these. This is how they have a lot of stuff that you could use to clean with. If you've been on my channel before, you guys know that I really love these sponges. They just do well when I'm washing my dishes. I'm also gonna need something like this to scrub like tubs with in the bathroom. So they have different versions of this. They even have the ones that come without the handles on it, and they have more down here. I seen some like this in the drugstore just now, but I was like, why am I gonna buy that if I can find at least a good quality one here? And they also have the one that's like this. Oh, this looks pretty good. I want to get this. I love buying my cleaning towels at the Dollar Tree because they actually sustain pretty well. They can last pretty long for me, and I just like the way they clean. They also carry lawn and leaf bags. Fall is coming up. These always come in handy, especially for fall, guys. And this is a pack of 7 bags, and this is a pack of 5. Usually it's just different sizes. So we are back home, and the best part about this trip was that I actually spent under $50. Like, when I seen that, I was like, that is so good. Some of you might actually say, like, you know, that's actually a lot, but I'm in Canada, so a lot of the things we buy are very expensive, and this is with taxes included. At the Dollar Tree, I spent $14.97, which is like $15, and at Rexall, I spent a little under $29. So I spent like $45. I got 2 big bags of this, and I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree. So where should I start? I think I'll just start where I went shopping first, because that probably makes the most sense to me. So I ended up getting this Vim floor cleaner. I believe this one was $4.99. I'll say the price if I remember what price it was. Also, everything that I'm going to show you, it was on sale. I'm just going to give you guys a quick run through of everything that I ended up purchasing. I also got this Lysol bathroom foam cleaner. I actually never tried this one before. So there's a couple things in here that I don't normally buy, but I bought products like it. I bought Lysol, but I usually buy the all-purpose one. So this time I'm going to try the bathroom foam cleaner. I'll let you guys know how this works. I also got some bleach. I don't clean with bleach all the time, but I do sometimes. I usually use bleach when I'm cleaning the mop pan out, or anything that I'm using to clean with. Like if I'm using like a pail, or if I'm using like the mop and I want to rinse out or make sure that the mop is washed really well, I like to steam it with some bleach. I got some dishwash detergent. One of my favorites is Palm Olive brand, and this is the lavender and lime scent. I don't think I've used lavender and lime, but it smells good. I care so much about my dishwashing liquid because I wash like every day. There's not a day I don't wash my dishes. I don't use a dishwasher. Even when I did have a dishwasher, I didn't use it. I like to wash my stuff by hand. I don't know, maybe I'll change later on, but for the most part, my dish soap, I'm very picky when it comes to it. I got some fabric softener here. This is for eliminating odors. It's just a spring scent. I also got some boxes of Kleenex. These were 99 cents and they always come in handy. Like, even when you think you don't need them, you end up needing them, because once you know the stuffy noses come around, the kids will take the roll of toilet paper and just bring it into any room if there are not these available. So I try to make these available around these times of the year. I got some Snuggle. I believe I showed you these in the Dollar Tree too, that they were actually more money. Did I show you this in the Dollar Tree? No, it was the other thing I want to show you next. But even this at the Dollar Tree is $1.50 right now, and I was able to get this for 99 cents. Okay, like, you know what, let me pick up two, and I'm smelling it already. I'm like doing this and I can smell it in the air. I got these Javex. Why was I calling them bleach cleaners? You know, that powder bleach that you could use in your bathroom, and I got them for 99 cents each. When I see 99 cents, it just brings me back in the day when I used to see 99 cents. You're lucky if you see something for $1. Also, I got some of this Vim cream cleaner. This, you guys don't mind my thumb, I actually slammed it in the door. Look at it. And then I ended up having to take the nail off. It hurt so much. It was so numb. All now I can barely feel my finger, but it's healing. Just in case you're wondering, like, what is up with this girl's thumb? I mashed it up. It hurts. I got some of this Vim cream cleaner. This stuff works really well. I actually really love this Vim cream cleaner. I usually use this in the shower, in the bathtub. And I got these two air fresheners. I don't typically buy these air fresheners all the time because I saw them for 99 cents. I was like, I could just easily leave these in the house, just anywhere, even in the closets where you have your shoes, in the bathroom, in just any room, the laundry room. You just pop it open and you let it sit there. It at least keeps the air smelling fresh. That was it for Rexall, and I'm gonna go on to the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I didn't end up getting that many things from the Dollar Tree. I just got a few things. I ended up getting these sponges. I ran out of them, and I always like buying these when I go to the Dollar Tree. I got this, it's a hard bristle sponge type. It's called Scrub Buddies, or Tough Cleaning Drops. This is pretty coarse, so you just have to fill up the whatever you're using to clean with, most likely soap in there, and then you like squeeze the button. I can barely use this thumb. And then you squeeze and then you wash at the same time. It's pretty coarse. I got this vinyl sheet. I got some of these on my last trip, so I just got an extra one to put in my cupboard. It's just to line the cupboards. Just good to add those. It even helps with the actual wood that's underneath. This scrubber, I'll be using this most likely for the floor, not for the floors, for on the bathroom floors. It doesn't seem as coarse as the brush that I showed you. It's a different type of coarse. I also got these cloths. There's 2 in a pack, but I got separate colors in case I want to use one set in one part of my house and like another set in another part. So I like to get different colors of these, just so that in case I clean them all together, I know what goes back where. I don't know if it's like normal, but it's just something that I do. And lastly, I got these containers that I could use to store these better, because right now I have my cleaning supplies in like different areas. I do have them like all together, but at least it'll be more together in these bins. Oh no! This one has a little crack on it. Always check your stuff. Like when you're buying stuff in bulk and there's many there, check, because I noticed lately, like I had this right now where it's like chipped in the corner there. And the other day, what did I buy? A can of tomatoes, like diced tomatoes, and it was crushed at, like, it was big time dent at the bottom. Just double check your stuff so you're not picking up faulty items. I'll just put this part at the back. I won't even see it. But yeah, that was it for my haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe and share these videos, because it actually helps on my channel a lot. I feel so blessed to have you guys here. Like, you don't even understand. But yes, until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.